Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw letter M. Before that, you can also watch our previous videos through the link in the description box below. So first we will draw letter M. Here I have drawn the monkey beforehand so that you can pause the video and draw with me. M for monkey. First draw two semicircles for eyes part. Then join both portions for mouth. Now add ears of monkey. Ear on both sides. Eyes. Draw hands on both sides. Then leg. M for monkey is complete. Now it's time to color it. For M we are using light blue and green shade. And for monkey we are using dark brown and dark yellow shade. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.